Today I needed to be in nature. It called to me. It wasn't a thought. And I knew I needed to be in this specific spot where my ancestors have been, where my ancestors have laid, where my ancestors have breathed. I'm getting all my connections. I'm feeling the spirit. And it feels amazing to be out here, letting the sun hit my face, watching the bees dance along and pollinate, even hearing the crickets and the birds. This is a blessing, and I'm grateful to have it each and every day of my life. Nature calls to me, so I answer.